Getting started very shortly. If you've got small people next to the fence, just make sure that they don't climb over the fence, please. Some of these exposures are quite loud, so make sure they're not too close. So we've got 3 vehicles in the arena. You'll notice the 2 on the left have a short stubby gun. These are called Scorpions, and the one on the right has a longer 30mm Radin cannon. And this is called the Scimitar, and they're part of what's called the Combat Vehicle Reconnaissance Tract family of vehicles, known for their speed and agility, and this is what we're going to be demonstrating with here this afternoon.
Started yet. They got good for the bombs yet.
Now these vehicles' development started during the 1960s here in the UK, and they entered service during the 1970s. Now some other members of the vehicles of the family, like the Samaritan, are still in British Army service, as is the Scimitar, which is taking the lead at the moment. These vehicles are in Afghanistan as we speak. They've been used pretty much in every single battlefield that the British Army have been doing for the last 20-30 years. Now originally these vehicles were powered by a 190 horsepower 6-cylinder Jaguar engine, which is petrol. But the British Army decided to replace most of these with a Cummins diesel, which has proved far more reliable, a lot easier to maintain. Now these ones are particularly rare because I believe the Scimitar and one of the Scorpions also has one of these diesel engines, making the only ones in the UK outside of the British Army who use them. Now on the road these vehicles can travel up to about 80 kilometres an hour. They're extremely nimble, as they're showing you at the moment, spinning on the spot. They have the same number of gears in reverse as they do in forward, meaning that they can stick their head out in the reconnaissance role, look for the enemy and dart back out as quickly as possible before they get shot. They're made out of aluminium, so of course they're extremely light, but of course they're extremely... Oh, first round.
Bit late.
Their armour is often referred to as the British Army's chocolate armour.
What did you do down there to try and find that bullet now?
It's not a bullet, it's a landmine.
Oh god.
See how well controlled these vehicles are.
Yeah, very well controlled.
They're going to kiss.
And I think we're about to have a game of chase.
Like,
Kiss chase.
no, it's Fast and Furious with the tanks. Fast and Furious with the tanks.
No, that's one way to get. That's one way to clear an amp's mess, isn't it? Another bang pretty soon, Ryan.
They've got my phones.
said, it's not a fantastic demonstration of their mobility. As I said before, these vehicles are designed so that they don't engage the enemy but rather run from them if they encounter them. It's simply for what we call reconnaissance, which is the military term for gathering intelligence.
Nearly dropped my phone.
I did.
Warn your explosions are going to be loud.
I nearly let. I nearly. For God's sake! I nearly had a heart attack. Quit it! Please, no more. Oh no. Here we go. Here's some more. At least you knew that time. You could tell because they were going to drive over me. Smells like barbecue.
Nice.
No, it literally does. It smells like charcoal.
Always remember to cook your food properly. This is why I have one of these.
Here comes more.
This is how I do my chicken and I like it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the display. Let's all give a fantastic round of applause to Mr. Andrew Baker and the Albus Fighting Vehicle Society. And if you want to get a close-up of any of these vehicles at the end of the day, they're all parked up at the top of the arena as you enter the park. Also, if you want to see these vehicles